Dear folks, I would like to talk about patience because patience is an important virtue. I am asking you, do you have patience or don't you have patience? Are you a patient person? Are you an impatient person? Which category are you? What happens if you lose your patience? What happens if you don't have patience? Guys, when you don't have patience, you will lose your peace of mind. I repeat, when you don't have patience, you will lose your peace of mind. Remember this. You may achieve the success which you want. During the journey, there is no peace of mind. That success is not called as success. The reason is you have sacrificed the most important thing of your life, that is peace of mind. If anything is achieved by losing the peace of mind, losing your peace of mind is not success. Guys, patience not only help you to achieve success, it will help you to achieve peaceful success. Just be patient during the journey, during the process. Don't lose your peace of mind. Get peaceful success. Thank you.